Okay. We will start the session. Yes. Or wait for 5 minutes. Yes. Join fast. Our second day of practical session. Okay. After in today's session, we will cover the pattern program. They're having so many patterns program in the C. All of you know about C, pattern programming. Yes, we will see study of pattern programming in today's session. Okay, and two important program in palindrome and next one matrix multiplication. Okay, and pattern programming we will study nested for loop. Okay, if today's agenda of the session. Yes, all of you understood what is today's agenda? Yes, yes, all of you. Yes, all of you give me reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. Very good morning to all of you. Happy programmer and happy morning. Okay, we will start the session. Yes,
Yes.
okay, we will start the session. Our first program, palindrome. What is mean by palindrome? All of you tell me what is mean by palindrome. We will study in today's session. If suppose 5153 is equal to 153, it is palindrome. Yes, give me reply, please. Yes, student.
No, ma'am.
No, no, it is not palindrome. Why? Reverse order also same number we will have having. Okay, that's why I am telling you 153 and 153. It is not palindrome. 351. Okay, and reverse order 351. Sorry, 351. It is no palindrome. Okay, our next point is 121. Then reverse it number 121. Yes, it is palindrome. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, it is palindrome. Okay, and what is the logic of palindrome? Wait for a minute. Yes, what is the logic? First, we will take digit. Yes, yes or no? Yes. First, it is point is our digit. Yes. Next, if we are having the number 121 module, yes, and 10 divided by. Reminder, what is the reminder of it? 121 mod 1, 10. Yes,
1.
1. Okay. Okay. And next, what is our point second result? Reverse. Yes. Then what will we do about reverse logic? digit, if suppose you are having the digit of 1, a reminder is 1, okay, then into 10 plus 1, okay, 10 plus 1, then what is our reverse order? Is equal to, yes,
Reverse into 10 plus 1.
1, yes, okay, then we will take the number, okay, number is equal to 121. Our digit is 121. Yes. Digit for floor operator and 10. Yes. Yes. Absolutely right. Yes. Then what is our result? 121 floor operator and 10. Yes.
12.
1. Okay. Then suppose we will hear.
12.
Hello, Vedangi.
Yes, ma'am. 12.
12. Okay. 12. Yes. Yes. Suppose number A is equal to 120, 112 if suppose 1 and floor operator 10. Then you take the 0. Result should be 0. Okay, all of you understood. Our result of floor operator 1, floor operator 10. Result should be 0. We will not possible the palindrome. Okay, we will not apply the palindrome of 0. Okay, that's why we will take the one statement. We will take A is equal to number. Okay, in our program. Okay, then we will start our program. All of you clearly listen, clearly all statement लक्षात ठेवा. सगळ्यांनी आपल्या ह्या प्रोग्राम मध्ये यूज करायचे आहेत. ओके, yes, all of you understood what is palindrome? Same, we will take the one number and result should be all of a number, reverse number we will same, happening outcome should be same. Yes, it is our statement. Okay, and then take one digit and take the reverse order. What will we do our reverse order? 1, then number take it, digit, module, floor operator and T. Okay, all of you understood? Then we will go for our program point of view. We'll go for program. All of you? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Take the number. Okay, number. Here we will take the first, we will take the number. Okay, is equal to input, enter number. Okay, and then we will take the reverse. First reverse allocated 0. Why? We will not take any number. Okay, first we will allocate 0. Then we will allocate it A. Suppose we will apply the 0. Outcome will be 0. Then we will apply A is equal to number. Is equal to number. Okay, and then we will take the while loop. While loop, number greater than 0. Reverse is 0. Yes. Then number is greater than 0. Then we'll go for our program digit. First, we will take the digit is equal to number mod 10. All of you see, in program we will write it the step by step. Only this statement we will write it into our program. Okay? Digit number mod 10. Okay? Then we will go for reverse. Reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus digit. Okay? Means whatever your result, it occur in digit is equal to 121 mod 10 1. Yes, reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus 1. Yes. Okay. And then we will go for next. Number is equal to, we will take the number and floor operator then 10. If you take the 121, then you take the 121 floor operator 10. Okay? All of you understood? Then we will take if statement. Okay? Then if A is equal to reverse. If your A is 1, reverse. If suppose your A is equal to 1 is equal to 1. Okay, A is equal to 1 is equal to 1. Then you print it, it is palindrome, and then you write it all digit, one by one digit, 1 2 1. Next by 1 1 2 1, 1 5 3 3 5 1. Okay, all of you understood? 1 is equal to 1, print it, it is palindrome. Otherwise, else part, it is not palindrome. Okay, all of you understood? A is equal to 1, reverse 1, print it, it is palindrome. No, it is not palindrome. Okay, yes, we will write it here. Number has if 1 is equal to 1. Okay, right. For your understanding purpose, print it is a palindrome number. Okay, and else print it is not a palindrome number. Okay, all of you understood? Then we will save the program. Save as palindrome g.py. Save it and run it. 153. It is not palindrome. Okay, and then run it once again. 121. It is palindrome. Okay, all of you understood what is the logic of palindrome? Then all of you make the practice of the like this in the same program. We will write it 153 351 like this. You practice like this, then you understood what is the main logic. Okay, yes, Vedangi, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why are so much silent? Today's is so, your voice is so slow. Why? What happened? Okay, no any problem. All of you understood? Unnati.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you make the practice like this. Write the comment, whatever your logic, implement it first. You write it into comment. Okay? म्हणजे तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिस होईल कमेंट लिहायची. कमेंट लिहूनच तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस करा. ओके? ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड? येस? हॅलो? हा. समजलं सगळ्यांना? ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड? येस? Then we will go for next point. Hello, give me reply, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, okay. Yes, matrix multiplication. Okay, our the next program is matrix multiplication. Okay, please listen carefully. We will done the up to 20 10 program for homework. Okay, and yesterday session we will cover the 6 program. Okay, and right now we will cover the pattern program also and multiplication program also. Okay, everybody understood palindrome logic. Okay, because this logic based on your uh, problem statement in the any interviewer, any company. Okay, understood very clearly palindrome logic. Okay, and he understood. I am telling you the best 5 point. Only this much point you are having the program statement. Pattern, first pattern programming, and next binary, decimal, hexadecimal conversion. Yes, and then third is palindrome. Yes, and second one Fibonacci series. Okay, and even odd number. Even odd number. Suppose you are having the 1000 number, take 1000 number and take the even odd number like this. Also, okay, all of you understood. Only 5 to 6 problem statement you are having the problem statement. Okay, yes, we will take the matrix multiplication. All of you understood what is the matrix multiplication? Everybody tell me what is you know about the matrix multiplication. All of you done the program of C. Yes, yes or no? Matrix multiplication. Yes or no? Matrix multiplication. 3 in 3 by 3, 3 by 4, 2 by 2. Yes, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we will go for first. We will write it logic 3 into 3 matrix. 3 matrix. Okay. And then 3 into 4 matrix. Okay. Okay. Then we will write it the program statement. Okay. Hash 3 into 3. We will write it, done it 3 into 3 matrix. Okay. Yes. Then x is equal to, take it list 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then take it 5, 6, 7. Then take it 1, 2, 3, okay, and close it, okay, and then you take it as 3 into 3 second matrix, 3 into 3 matrix, okay, y is equal to 1, 2, 3, then 3, 4, 5, then 7, 8, 9, okay, then whatever your result, that same will allocated one matrix result of matrix. We will take result is equal to allocated first 0, okay, then we will write it for loop for rows and column, okay, row for x and row for y, iterated through of rows of x, okay, for I in range, length is x, okay, then colon, nest through of column, okay, we will write it for column of y, okay, then for j in range length of y, okay, then we will write it for result, okay, write it for third matrix, okay, for k in range length of y colon, and write it as the same logic of C, result of I and J, okay, take it matrix multiplication, okay, same as logic of mathematics, you perform the matrix multiplication in mathematics, okay, yes, all of you perform it matrix multiplication in the SY, yes, SYFE, yes, then we will tell Tirkas Gunakar, okay, all of you know about Tirkas Gunakar. Unnati, what happened? Yes, all of you, I am telling in Marathi. Tirkas Gunakar, all of you know about Tirkas Gunakar. Yes, the same logic we will implement in result A of I. We will take the first matrix first and we will take second matrix for J. Yes, J for Y. Yes, is plus is equal to, we will apply the assignment statement Then we will take X, I, and then K into Y, K, and G. Okay? Yes? And then we will perform for R in range in result. Okay? R in result, we will print it result. Okay? Then print R. Okay? Yes? Save it. MTY. Unnati, your roll number?
9.
9. Okay. 09. Row pi. Yes, pi. Extension is pi. All of you see this output. Yes. All of you see this screen? Yes. Vedangi. Yes. Rohi. Rahul. Wait for a minute.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Yes, sorry. Am I not audible? Hello, my mic is mute. That's why I'm not audible to you. Okay. Yes. Your task is today's task. What is today's task? I'm telling you. Perform the NumPy library. Okay. All of you know about NumPy library. Yes, Vedangi. Hello. 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 Right now. Hello. Hello, student. May I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Vedangi. Vedangi. May I audible? I'm forgetting to mute myself. I muted myself. That's why I'm unmute right now. May I audible? Yes. May I audible? Yes. Hello. Hello, student. May I audible? May I audible? Yes. Vedangi. Right now, may I audible? Hello. Hello, Vedangi. Yes. Okay. Rahul said yes. Okay. Wait for a minute. We will write it. Hello. Hello, student. Unnati. Yes. Okay. My voice is audible to all. Yes. Okay. All of you understood the problem statement. Okay. Vedangi, my voice is audible. Yes. Give me the replies into chat. Okay. 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 We will here. All of you know about the matrix multiplication using NumPy library. Yes. Yes. Why students are not uh, Okay. Okay, student, wait for minute. Wait for minute. Wait for minute. Wait for the minute. We will check. Check it first. Please wait for minute. Okay. Right now, me audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Right now, I'm somehow forgot the setting of song. That's why. Okay. Right now, anyone having any problem? Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. All of you know about matrix multiplication program? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you know about NumPy library? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is NumPy library? It is used for scientific calculation, numerical calculation. Yes. Your task, today's task. What is today's task? The whole day task. Whole day task. I'm telling whole day task. Using NumPy library, done matrix multiplication program. Okay. We will done for loop, nested for loop. You done the program NumPy library using matrix multiplication. Okay. Yes. Anyone having any problem? Yes.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
A73. Rahul. Rohit. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then we will move for pattern programming. Yes. We will move for pattern programming.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will pattern programming. We will use nested loop. Okay. And use it for more familiar with for loop. Okay. See here, I'm telling you one sample programming, and I'm give you the 10 program of pattern separately. Okay. Then you same program, you take it sample program of mine, and then do it the program of 10 sample. Okay. They're having the character program also. Download means reverse order pattern also. Then okay, and up to down also. Okay, up pattern and down pattern. What is the pyramid? Half pyramid and full pyramid. Okay, like this. Okay. Yes, all of you know about C programming, pattern programming. All of you understood what is the logic of it. Yes, all of you know about it. What is the logic of pattern programming? Ma'am, please explain NumPy library for your side. Okay. Sheetal, first you do it. If you are having any problem, then I will give you the explanation. Okay. NumPy library, they are having the library import. I'm telling the what you platform use it. Collaboratory, use it Colab. Otherwise Jupyter. Don't use editor ideally, because you install it first Jupyter, NumPy library in ideally, that IDE platform means simple IDE. Then use it directly Jupyter. Already install it NumPy. library in Jupyter and Colab. Okay. Yes, your side, you perform it. If you are having any issue, then tell me. Okay. You are having the one day. I'm telling you, one day in your hand. No any issues of perform the practical. Already you are having the code of matrix multiplication. Okay. And then I will tell you the sample one logic. Only numpy dot use it dot numpy np dot a comma b. Okay, I am telling the whole logic using the numpy dot a comma b multiplication using numpy. Okay, it is sufficient for you because it is you are having one day. You search it, you perform it, then you understood what is the logic. Okay, yes. Then we will go for pattern programming. Yes. First, we will go for nested loop. All of you see here, we will go for nested for looping concept. Okay. Write it. Triple dot find nested loop. Okay. First, for I in range. Okay. Then 5. Okay. Then for j in range. Then I should be print. Okay. Yes. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like this. Then I should be print and then print I means whatever you print it 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, like this. And then in is equal to print and then print. Okay, suppose we will write it here. Here. Okay, then what happened here? See here, save this pattern 1.py. Okay, save this change, run it. What happened here? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. Okay, like this. Then save it. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Okay, save this change, run it. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, and then you run it. Okay. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. Okay, like this. Okay, suppose you write it here. Okay, if you write it here, hash. I want to print hash. Then what happen here? Print it hash. Okay. If you write it here star, Then you also run it, this program using start. Okay. If you write it here 6 times, no, 10 times. Okay. Save this change and run it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Yes. And then what will we do about reverse order? Means downward for loop. What will be use of downward pyramid? Yes. What is the logic of downward pyramid? Yes. Yes. I minus for loop for j in range I comma I minus 1.
कशाला गेलता?
Okay, like this. Mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Okay. Yes. Yes. Anyone interested to do the downward pyramid? Yes. Only one change in for loop for j in range. Okay. Yes. Anyone want to do it the program? Yes. Rahul, Rohit. Rahul, Rohit, anyone interested to do? Yes, only start program. I want the downward. Downward means
स्वरलाई मार
reverse
म्हणते.
pyramid.
कळतं रे.
Reverse pyramid.
ते त्या माणसानं सांगितलेलं म्हणलं बा.
Rohit, mute yourself.
उगवते एकदा ऑप्शन टाकलं परत नाही. म्हणजे
Yes, anyone interested to tell? Yes. Anyone interested to do the program of downward pyramid? Half pyramid? Yes. 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 Student, give me reply. Only one change in for j in range. Okay, no any another changes if we are doing j comma. Yes, anyone interested? Vedangi, Prapti, Vaishnavi. You take it 10 minutes and do it. Yes. Please, student, go further because we will go for next program, Pascal triangle. Yes. Anyone interested to do? Please give me reply. Yes. Vedangi, what happened? Vishal, Vishakha,
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing it.
okay. What is your name?
Vishakha.
Vishakha. Yes, Vishakha. Vedangi,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Do it. Only one change in for loop. Do it fast. We will go for Pascal triangle. Then we will stop. Okay. Only 4 program we will done it. 4 or 5 program. Okay. Vedangi and Vishaka, wait for a minute, 2 minutes. Okay. Okay. So Neil, send me the WhatsApp group the program outcome, Python programming. Okay, very good. Swapnil, very well tried. Vedangi, yes, Vishakha. I'm somewhere. My sharing will stop here. Some 5 minutes. Take it 5 minutes, and then ready. Be ready. Okay. Share your screen. Okay. Vedangi, Vishakha. Okay. Wait for a minute. We will stop the sharing. Okay. Come up the 5 minutes. Okay. Only 5 minutes. Yes. Yes, student. Yes. Anyone want to share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Vedangi. Okay. Yes. Vedangi, share your screen right now. Okay. Okay. Go for code. I'm waiting for code. Okay. 0, comma 9. Okay. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay. No any problem. Okay. Go for it. Close. Stop sharing. Vishakha. Rohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Vishakha. Be
Yes.
ready for your sharing the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait for a minute. I make you co-host now.
Okay.
Vishakha Savalkar. Okay. Uh, yes, B division. Anyone interested? Then who? Uh, anyone do it the program but unable to share your screen? Put it your program in our group, because I am checking. I am everyday follow for the group. Then you do it the program and send me the group. Okay, no any issue. Vishaka, you are co-host.
Ma'am, it is visible.
No, it is not visible. Wait. It is starting sharing. Okay, yes, run it. Yes, for loop you directly take it start. Yes, you directly take it start, stop and end. Yes, -1. Okay, very good logic. Vishakha, send me the Python programming group. Vishakha. Yes, and Vedangi also the same logic. Okay, anyone group boys side interested to share your screen? Yes. Yes, student. Vishal, Rohit, Rahul. Yes, Rahul Gapa. Okay. Make you co-host. Yes. Yes, Rahul, share your screen. Okay. Yes. Okay. 10. Okay. No any issue. Run it. Okay. Rahul, stop sharing. Our the next, all of you go for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm telling the up to Saturday. I'm give you the pattern programming program. Okay. Up to Saturday. Okay. Then you check it after the Diwali. You submission of pattern programming after the Diwali. Okay. Enjoy your Diwali and then submit it. Okay. No any issue. Yes. All of you see my figure. See my diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is our Pascal triangle. Okay. Our next program is our Pascal triangle. Okay. What is our Pascal triangle? In both sides, we will add it 1, 1, 1, next addition 2, next 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, then 1, 3, 6, mute yourself.
अहो मी काय म्हणतोय 800 ला
3,
दोन्ही
3,
कॅरेट
6,
पडून होते
3, 4, 3 plus 1,
हा तू
4,
वांग्याचे
1, 4, 6, 4, 1.
वांग्याचे किती
Mute
रे?
yourself, mute yourself, mute
किती?
yourself. Okay? Yes, everybody understood our Pascal triangle. We will go for Pascal triangle. Then we will same logic implement it. 11 0 is equal to 1. 11 1 is equal to 11. 11 square is equal to 121. Then 121 square is equal to, what is our square? Yes, Vedangi? 121 square. Yes, 121 चा square किती?
14641.
1364. Yes, like this. You same like this, you check it Pascal triangle. Then we will go for our logic. Yes. Yes. Our the next program is Pascal triangle. Okay. Okay. Number of row, you take it 5. Okay. Of rows. You take it rows simply. Okay. Row is equal to 5. Okay. Then for I in range number of rows. Number of rows. Then print okay into okay then number of rows. I'm telling you the logic. Okay, don't worry. Number of rows minus I. Okay, then you check it. Int is equal to 1 1 1 1. Then print, then dot join. Next method you take it join for the 1 1 2, then 1 2 3. That's why you take it join str comma str comma 11. If you take it 11 1 1 1 and triangle you take it triangle 1 1 11, then into of I power of I. Okay, it's same logic of mathematical. Close it 1, then you close it 1, then close it 2nd, and next one this. Okay, so this change Pascal dot py. Okay, save this file. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, then run it. 1 2 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 3 4 3 3 6. Okay, save this change. Okay, 1, all of you see this screen. 1 1 1 2 1 2 3 2 1 3 3 1 3 4 3 3 6 3 plus 3 6 3 plus 4 3 plus 1 4 and 1. Okay, then we will take the first 11 power of I. Okay, 11 power of I. It is our first logic. Okay, in our 11 power of 0, 11 power of 1. That's why we will take it I. Yes, Vedangi. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, all of you? Yes, student? Dear student, if you are having any problem in this program, using join operation and map, it is our operation of the Python. Okay. Yes, all of you? All of you understood what is our triangular triangular Pascal triangle? Yes. Yes. Why boys is so silent today? Okay. Yes, student, anyone having any problem? If I give you the sample program of the pyramid, okay, pattern pyramid. Yes, anyone having any problem? After the Diwali, you submit it, the pattern program. Okay, no any issue. I am give you the 8 days after the Diwali. Okay, yes. In today, after the 2 session, anyone having any issues of the sample program of Python?
No, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay. Why I'm telling today in 2 session up to 4 hours, we will cover the all basic program in if else, for loop, and today we will study the nested for loop. Okay. I am suppose missing the one practical list. They're having the list perform the list operation like append, add, like this. Vedangi, I am right? Yes. Yes, student. Sakshi. Sakshi is here. B division.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You perform it list and tuple operation and then send me because I am forgetting. Then we will cover the conditional statement. I am forgetting the list and tuple operation. But all of you able to do list and tuple operation? Yes, boys. Then we will cover the today. Yes, they're having simple operation. I'm not thinking to able to tell. It is a very simple operation. Add, concatenation. Yes, if you are able to do it your own. Yes, I'm thinking like this. You are able to do it. Yes, Vedangi. Yes. Yes. Okay. No issue. In 2 sessions, we will cover the whole basic practical. Okay. Then we will cover the function program also. Okay. Yes. In function program, we will cover it between the our session. Okay. Up to theory session, we will cover it, and practical session, we will also cover it. Yes. Anyone having any problem? Then we will move for function program because it is basic program for using conditional statement. Yes, anyone having any problem? Yes. Okay. Then we will stop here. Yes, Vedangi.
Yes, ma'am.
Because of function, we will start. We will not cover it if else and if else condition because function then having the object oriented programming concept. Okay. After the Diwali, we will cover it all the function theory part also and our the theory part and practical part of function. Then we will go for file handling and then we will go for exception and then we will go for object oriented programming. Okay, and then we will go for advanced topic of Python. Okay. Yes, everybody understood what is our the agenda of the after the Diwali. We will cover it. Don't take tension. We will cover 2 or 4 days only practical session. If you are having any issue, tell me. If you are having the homework anyone problem, you solve it first. Up to Diwali, you are having the so many days. Solve it for first your side. ओके बिकॉज युअर साईड सोल्युशन इज इम्पॉर्टंट. त्यावेळेला आपल्याला समाधान वाटते की त्यावेळेला आपण कोणत्या तरी पॉइंटचं सोल्युशन फाइंड आउट करतो. ओके, दॅट्स वाय आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी टू सॉल्व युअर ओन वे. to every problem statement. Okay. Yes, that's why I'm not telling you. First, you solve it your own side, and then we will tell the what is our problem statement. Okay. And don't worry, I'm telling the problem statement in pattern programming also, and I'm find out the what is the asking from company side also pattern programming, what is the their side also program. Then I'm send you the WhatsApp group of our. Okay. Yes, and solve it your choice. Okay, if you're having the sufficient time, I'm telling you the date of submission. After the Diwali, you are having the 10 days. After the Diwali, you are having the 10 days, and then we will complete the function programming also. Okay. Yes, VLab. Okay, we will go for VLab because somehow the function VLab will not cover VLab. Okay. Okay. Yes. All of you see the screen? Yes. Uh, we are having the built-in function in Python. Built-in function. Our second program, built-in function. All of you know about the function theory. Yes. But we will cover it after the Diwali. Don't worry. We will not cover it today. First, you try it your side arithmetic operator. All of you. Okay. First, arithmetic operation, you do it. Okay. Loop. In this looping also over. Okay. Loop concept already over it. Loop data type. Yes. Two program you over. Okay. In this experiment, student will able to understood for flow of control, type of looping, and use it Python programming language iterative simulator. Okay. And theory, the execution for programming language code for done compiler is set code rather than sequence of coding perform desired task, then task may or may not be repeated, but compiler smart is process. It's such a repetitive code of known as loop. Okay, for loop and while loop. Okay, all of you see this screen. For loop, n is equal to 4, I in range 0, n colon print. Yes. Then while loop, what is our statement? The above statement is while loop where testing condition placed after the while condition statement. Okay. Okay. All of you see this screen. Already we will perform the nested loop. Yes. Inner loop and outer loop. Yes, Vedangi. All theory.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All of you see this theory part. I will not tell you procedure. Okay. Directly you go for simulation. Okay. Suppose write it 5 of factorial. Submit and start. Factorial start by one line. Okay. Factorial is equal to 1. All of you know about factorial program. Yes. Then if will print negative number. If it is not, then write it factorial is equal to number. Then else, then for range factorial. Then what is our output? 121. Okay. 120. 120 it is our factorial number. Okay. Okay. All of you understood? Factorial program is also over from our side. Okay. Next program, prime number. Write it end range. End range 10 and start range 2. Okay. Okay, 1 and Input is invalid. Okay. 120. Wait for a minute. 120 and 11. Start it. Okay. Prime number. For number, start. All of you perform the prime number in our if else statement. Okay. Only check it VLAP. Go for VLAP and check it one by one. Break else. If it is prime, start in. Complete it. 11 to 20, which is our prime number. 11, 13, 17, 19. All of you see this screen very clearly. Okay. All of you perform it and send the screenshot of our group. Okay. Perform the practical of VLAB. Okay. It is our today's task. Your today's task. Okay. Perform the loop of using VLAB. Yes. And reset. First, reset it. First, give the range of starting 11 up to 30. Then end. And then start. Next, if name greater than 1. For loop, if break, else, print, and print number. What is our 11 to 30? 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Okay. Yes. Rahul, I am sending the virtual lab link in our group. Okay. Python group, we will share the link. Okay. Yes. All of you understood what is Fibonacci series and prime number? And all of you perform it very clearly. I am not waste the theory part of time. You read it first and test. Take it test here. And then what is the procedure? Clearly read it. First procedure, read simulator detail, enter the value you want to process it, and then calculate it to process. Then code will be displayed, and then press the next execution one by one. Then relevant line in the code will be highlighted. Okay. And first you write it start and then you go for end. Okay, Vedangi? Yes, understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes. Okay. Okay. Wait for 5 minutes. We will start the attendance. Don't put your attendance here because I'm confusing about your attendance. Right? Don't write it here. Wait for 5 minutes. We will hear. Okay. Yes, anyone having any problem in the virtual lab, we will provide the link of virtual lab. Yes. And perform only loop. Perform only loop. See here, list of experiment, only perform the loop and data type. Okay. Loop we will cover today, then data type we will go for next lecture. Okay. Only perform arithmetic operator and loop, because 9 will go for one by one. Okay, after the completion of our theory part. Okay. Yes. Okay. A division, T by A. 1,
Present, ma'am.
2, 2, absent. 3,
Present, ma'am.
4,
Present, ma'am.
5, 5, 6,
Present, ma'am.
7, 8,
Present, ma'am.
9, 10, 10, roll number 10,
Present, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am.
12, 12, absent. 13,
Present, ma'am.
14, 14, 15, 16,
Present, ma'am.
18, 17. 17 roll number. 18, present.
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20,
Present, ma'am.
21,
Present, ma'am.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Yes, ma'am.
24,
Yes, ma'am.
25, 25. Okay. 26,
Present, ma'am.
27,
Present, ma'am.
28, 28, absent. 29, 29, absent. 30,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32,
Present, ma'am.
33, 33, 34,
Present, ma'am.
35,
Present, ma'am.
36, hello, 35,
Yes, ma'am. Present 35.
Vishakha, yes. 36,
Yes, ma'am.
37, 37. Okay, 38,
Yes, ma'am.
39,
Yes, ma'am.
40,
Present, ma'am.
41,
Yes, ma'am.
42, 42. Absent. 43,
Present, ma'am.
44, 44. Absent. 45,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Present, ma'am.
47,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Present, ma'am.
49,
Present, ma'am.
450,
Yes, ma'am.
51, 51,
Present, ma'am.
52, 52. Absent. 53,
Present, ma'am.
54, 54, 55, 55. Absent. 56,
Present, ma'am.
57. Present.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. 58,
Present, ma'am.
59,
Present, ma'am.
60, 60,
Pres-
60,
Present, ma'am.
61,
Present, ma'am.
62, 62, 63,
Present, ma'am.
64,
Present, ma'am.
65, 67,
66 present.
66 present, 67, 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Jyoti, mute yourself. Yes. 68 present, 69,
69 present, ma'am.
70,
70 present, ma'am.
71,
Present, ma'am.
72,
Present, ma'am.
73, 73 present. Gorak Sejal. Sejal, your roll number
Present, ma'am.
70. Your roll number? What is your roll number? Your
Yes, ma'am.
73. Yes. I am asking
73,
your
ma'am.
call number. Yes. Your call number. Your number is here. That's why I'm telling you. 74. 74. Absent. 75.
Present, ma'am.
76. 76. Absent. 77. Absent. 78. 79.
Present, ma'am.
80.
Present.
Okay. Yes. Absent roll number. 2, 5, 7, 12, 15, 17, 25, 28, 29, 33. Okay. 28 present. Okay.
Hello, ma'am. 25.
25 present. Okay.
12 is
And
present.
07 present.
7 present. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, 12 are present.
Yes. Okay. 29, 30, 35, 35 present Vishakha. 37 absent. 42 absent. 44,
Ma'am, 42 present.
44, 52, 54, 55, 62, 67, 74, 76, 77, 78.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Hello.
A42 present.
A42 present. Yes, yes. I'm mark your present.
मैडम 54 प्रेजेंट है.
Omkar. 54 present. Okay. Yes. B. Roll number. TYB. Don't leave the session. Last, I call you absent roll number 2, 5, 15, 17, 29, 33, 37, 44, 52, 55, 62, 67, 74, 76, 77, 78. Yes, is it our absent number of A division? Okay. Yes, T by B. Sakshi. 1,
Present, ma'am.
2, 3, 4,
Present, ma'am.
5. Anushka, present. Okay. 4, present.
Yes,
5, 5. Roll number 5. Roll number 5. Absent. 6,
Present, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Present, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
10,
Present, ma'am.
11, 11. Absent. 12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14,
Present, ma'am.
15, 15. Sneha. Yes, 16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Yes, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20,
Present, ma'am.
21,
Present.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Present, ma'am.
24, 24. Absent. 25,
Present, ma'am.
26,
Present, ma'am.
27,
Present, ma'am.
28, 28. Absent. 29, present. Sheetal. Yes. 30,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32,
Present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
Present, ma'am.
35,
Present, ma'am.
36,
Present, ma'am.
37,
Present.
38,
Present, ma'am.
39, 39. Don't leave the session. Okay. 39, present. No, okay. I'm present. 40, 40, absent. 41,
Present, ma'am.
42, 42, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46,
Yes, ma'am.
47,
Present, ma'am.
48, present. 49, 49 present. 50,
Present, ma'am.
51, 51, 52.
52 present, ma'am.
Okay, yes, Prashant present. 53,
Present, ma'am. 53.
54, 54. Absent. 55, 55. Absent. 56, 57, 58,
Yes, ma'am.
58. Okay. 59,
Present, ma'am.
60, 60, 60. Absent. 61,
Present.
62, 62, 63,
Present, ma'am.
64, 64, 65, 65,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
66, 67,
Present, ma'am.
68,
Present, ma'am.
69, 69, absent. 70,
Present, ma'am.
71,
Present, ma'am.
72,
Present, madam.
73,
Yes, ma'am.
74, 74,
Present, ma'am.
75, 75,
Present, ma'am.
76, 76, 77, 78,
Present, ma'am.
79, 79, 80, 80.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Absent roll number.
Present, ma'am.
80 present. Yes, absent roll number. 5, 11, 24, 28, 40, 42, 43, 44, 51, 54, 55, 56, 57, 60, 62, 64, 69, 76, 77, 79.
57 present.
57 present. Okay. Yes, anyone?
79
Present.
present.
70,
79.
79 present. Okay.
33 present.
Present.
33.
Ma'am,
Thirty-
5 is present.
Yes, yes. 5 present. Absent roll number.
ma'am.
Wait. Absent roll number. लक्षात घेऊन ऐका व्यवस्थित. Absent roll number. 11, 24, 28, 40, 42, 43, 44, 51, 54, 56, 55, 56, 57, 60, 62, 64, 69. Yes. Anyone absent in this roll number?
57, ma'am.
Okay, 57. Yes. Anyone?
Madam, 877, madam.
A7, A77. You call, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
after the 2 or 4 call. And right now you marks the absent presently. Okay, in today's
Madam.
session.
तुम्हाला
Yes.
मेसेज केला मी नेटवर्क इश्यूमुळे.
Okay. No any problem. Absent roll number.
present.
A78. Okay. No any issue. Okay. B division absent roll number 11, 24, 28, 40, 42, 43, 44, 51, 54, 55, 56, 60, 62, 64, 69. Okay. It is your absent roll number and B division 2, 5, 15. B05 present. A. I am calling for A division absent roll number. B division absent roll number 11, 24, 28, 40, 42. B division 43, 44, 51, 54, 55, 56, 60, 62, 64, 69 and 76. Okay. It is our B division absent roll number and then A division absent roll number. Vedangi 2, 5, 15, 16, 17, 16 present, 17, 29, 33, 37, 44, 52, 55, 62, okay, 67, 74 and 76. Okay. This is our, hello. Yes.
A64.
A64. A64 present already marks the present. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Over it for my side. And yes, my kindly request, kindly tell you the following important point. If you are doing the programming study, do it grouply, make it online group and study it for Java and Python programming because it is linking between two program. Okay. लक्षात ठेवा सगळ्यांनी पायथॉन आणि जावाचे प्रोग्राम करायचे असेल तर ग्रुप मध्ये करा. मेक इट ग्रुप ऑनलाइन ग्रुप अँड डू इट द प्रोग्राम. शेअर युअर लॉजिक फॉर युअर फ्रेंड and request to do it more and more program practices. Okay. Yes, everybody understood? Okay. For our side, we will stop here for today's session. Anyone having any doubt for today's session?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Very well. Go ahead for next point. We will study it within the next lecture. Okay. Thank you very much. Session is over. Okay.